Hello everyone, let's next try to make a dino. For this I am making use of the disposable cup. Then I am going to cut it down and make the jaw of the dino. That's somewhat horrified, and you can make use of the some scissors so that you can create the holes that are to be used. Further, this activity is not that much simple, but it's not that much difficult as well. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12. You may require disposable cups, some thread, some scissors, glue sticks, and for adding the teeth, we are going to make use of colorful sheets of the paper. This is so fun. Using these strips that I have already cutted down, we are going to show you how we can make a funny frog in just few easy simple steps. This activity is very simple and it's very cool. Just give it a try. You can definitely make this one. It's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 8 to 9. You may require glue stick for this one. Be careful while you are just twisting all the strips together so that you can make it look perfectly, and you just have to add the features like the eyes, nose and the crown for this frog. Just have a look when you will join all the parts together how this one turns to be. It's so cool. This one is a kind of the illusion. First you may require the blue sheet of the paper, then you just have to cut down somewhat oval shaped. This will actually represent the aquarium of the fish. After that you just have to make the fishes and paste them using the white sheet of the paper or any other color. I have made use of the yellow one, and if you don't have the colorful sheets you can make use of the simple colors as well. Then you can fill them with the colors using the pencil color or any other color. Paste them with the help of the glue stick. Next, we are going to make another animal, and this one is somewhat inspired from the cartoon, that's the Pokemon. Yeah, we are going to make the one. For this, I am making use of the yellow sheet of the paper, then I am just rolling it, twisting it and trying to add more features like the nose and the body's mask to be made. This activity is again very simple, best suitable for the small kids. You may require glue stick for this one. Just give it a try. It looks so perfect once you will join all the parts of the body together like I'm doing here. It's easy and it's not that much time consuming as well. Best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Thank you.